What up, guys? So it is 3 in the morning roughly, and I am in the shop just trying to wrap up a few things on the STi. I am getting super duper close to starting it. Been doing so much on it, it's nuts, just in the past few months, but it's felt like forever. Been doing so many little things, like, you know, deleting a few brackets here and there, like I just did for the starter, because I just got that bolted in, and wrapping up a few vacuum lines, things like that, finishing up the fuel stuff. So getting super close. It's about all I have left. I just want it to be done already. I've been cranking away at it for, feels like forever now. And lots of late nights like this, you know, where I find myself and it's 3 in the morning and, you know, I haven't made a ton of progress, but, you know, every little bit counts. So anyways, that is just a little update on the STi. Haven't changed anything exterior wise, but I've done lots of other things. Got the axles replaced and full exhaust is in, and yeah, so anyways, that's it. See ya. One quick thing I wanted to mention before I do end this video is how much time and studying and research it has taken to get to the point where I'm at now. Like, you know, there's some people that think, you know, throwing a turbo on a car is easy. It is not easy. There is so much to it when it comes to pros and cons. You know, what you're gonna expect to get out of the car, just all those little types of things that go into this car or go into a build. And I have so much respect for those guys out there that are building their cars from nothing and just learning it all by themselves, because it is such a difficult thing. But I'm super stoked I am doing it basically all by myself. And I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit stressful. You know, because there's a lot of things you have to wait for. You have to wait for parts, the motor, and like just lots of other things. And you know, there's always that worry in the back of your head, like, is this actually like, is everything actually gonna work out good and go as smoothly as you want it? And you know, are you gonna get the outcome that you are hoping for or planned for? You know, just all those things go through your mind. But you know, overall, it's always going to be a learning experience, and I'm just super stoked that, you know, I decided to go through with building my car and doing this. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys are having an awesome day and have an awesome weekend, and I will catch you guys later. Deuces.